Welcome to my channel, Boy Kids channel.
Hello kids, learn the names of vehicles. Name. This is van. 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 This is taxi. 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 This is police car. Police car. Police car. Police car. This is bus. 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 This is ambulance. 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 This is bicycle. 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 This is motorcycle. 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 This is scooter. 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 This is fire engine. Fire engine. Fire engine. This is fire engine. This is crane. 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 This is crane. Crane. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.